This week on Science Matters, 6 young volunteers are attempting to find out everything they can about the weather.
Have you ever thought about what affects the weather? What we hope to do now today is to try and understand some of the underlying physics that affects the weather. So somebody mentioned the sun was a very important part of our weather system. Well, in fact, it's probably one of the most important because it gives rise to all life on planet Earth. So you may be familiar with a rainbow. It's made of 7 colours, and we can show that here today by putting the white light through the glass, and what happens is the glass actually causes the white light to travel at different speeds. When the white light from the sun meets water particles in the sky, it can split the white light into those 7 colours again. So this is how rainbows are formed in the sky.
Can those 7 colours be formed into that white light?
Dead right, they can. And this is called a colour wheel. If I rotate this really quickly, what happens to those colours? It goes white. This experiment I have here is going to demonstrate why the sky is blue.
You know the way over there the white light turns into particles of different colours? Why is it only blue and red here?
Some parts of the white light that's broken up into those 7 colours can be bounced off easier than others. And blue light is very easily bounced away. And that's what our eye picks up. So did you ever notice on a sunny evening when the sun is low in the sky, sometimes the sky appears red? White light from the sun has to travel through more of the atmosphere. What happens is all the blue light has been bounced out, so the only light that's remaining is the red light. Do you think we can make a cloud in this very room, right here, right now?
Yeah.
Well, let's give it a go. What you need for this experiment is a plain plastic bottle, and you have to be very careful. You need an adult with you if you're going to try this one at home, because I'm going to add some of the smoke from the match in the bottle with the water vapour. And this speeds up the process of condensation. When we squeeze the bottle and release it. So it went from clear, which is right now, when water vapour meets little particles of dust or smoke or molecules due to high pressure and low pressure, you get clouds forming. Cool? Yeah. So we made a cloud in a bottle.
If you were to open the bottle, would the cloud actually come out or would it just disappear?
The pressure outside the bottle and inside the bottle would be totally different. So it would the molecules would just float off into the air. There's hundreds of thousands of volts of electricity jumping through the sky to get down to us here on planet Earth. Can you hear the crackle? There is a sonic wave induced through the air that we pick up as sound because of the high temperature and high pressure of the electricity as it jumps through the air. And that's how thunder is formed. When you get loads of ice particles colliding, you get a charge build-up at the bottom of the cloud. And the charges will jump through the air to anything that's upright on planet Earth, whether it's a human being, whether it's a building, whatever it is. We see lightning before we hear thunder. Does anybody know why that is?
Like light travels faster than sound?
Correct. High five. Well done. Yay! Woo! Well done, everyone.